There are places that don't ask for your attention. They simply wait until you're ready to notice them. Out here, the water keeps flowing and the birds keep singing. Nothing else seems to matter. We spend so much of life trying to stay one step ahead. Planning, choosing, wondering if we're on the right path. But the water never asks where it's going. It simply follows the path before it. And somehow, it always finds its way. I wonder how much lighter life would feel if we trusted our own path just a little more. Maybe peace isn't found at the end of your journey. Maybe it's found in trusting the path we're already on. In allowing ourselves to slow down. To stop rushing ahead. And to appreciate what the path has brought us.